The United States marked its Independence Day on the 4th of July, but celebrations were largely overshadowed by the ever-increasing coronavirus cases. While President Donald Trump went ahead with planned events, throwing all caution to the wind, many people did pay heed to the concerns expressed by health experts. Experts have warned that holiday parties could cause a further spike in the already steeply rising coronavirus trajectory of the U.S. Taking note, several towns and cities across the country cancelled annual fireworks and events to avoid large gatherings. Fireworks displays, however, were carried out in Washington, D.C. and New York. But crowds at the National Mall in D.C. were strikingly thinner than those seen during previous years. Even those who showed up wore masks and maintained distance from each other as far as possible. A fast-paced rise in the number of cases in 39 of the 50 U.S. states have left health experts worried. In the first 4 days of July alone, 15 states reported their record high in daily number of cases. The test positivity rate has also been on the rise. Over the past 1 week, 10 states have recorded a positivity rate in the double digits, and some of these are Arizona, South Carolina, Nevada, Alabama, Texas, Mississippi, and Florida. In Florida, over 10,000 cases have been reported daily over the last 4 days. On Sunday, this number stood at 10,059. Just to put this spike into perspective, this is higher than the daily tally reported by any European country when the coronavirus was at its peak on the continent. Now let's give you an idea of how different states are faring currently. States in the northeast seem to be witnessing an end to the first wave. These are states like Connecticut, Delaware, Vermont, New Jersey, and others. New York is a prime example of a state which witnessed a high rise in the number of cases initially and is now seeing a downfall. Now then, there are states which are still in the first wave. States like Texas and California were relatively less affected in the early phase but have now seen a massive surge with no signs of slowing down. In states like Hawaii, Montana, and Alaska, a second wave of cases seems to have taken effect. Each of these states was able to reduce the daily cases to single digits, but are now seeing a spike in cases once again. Overall, the U.S. has reported close to 3 million cases and over 100,000 deaths. The United States is the worst hit country in the world, that too by some distance.